Hi, Amy. Thanks for meeting me.
Thanks for meeting me.
First of all, my name is Lana. I'm an articling student for your lawyer, and your lawyer has asked me to meet with you to get some information.
Okay.
So I just want to review a couple things with you quickly, and then I'll have some questions for you.
Yep.
So, Amy, I understand that you've been charged with simple assault, and it's against your common law partner, Johnny.
Yep.
And I have a really brief synopsis of the allegation from the Crown, so I'll just review that extremely briefly with you. So I understand that on May 7, you and your common law partner got into an argument. The Crown alleges that you were both consuming alcohol at the time. Johnny has alleged that during the argument, you pushed him in the chest and that he fell backwards onto the floor. So that's just the basic allegation. And the Crown has provided a criminal record for you. So again, the criminal record will be something that the Crown submits to the court at your bail hearing. So we just want to make sure that it's accurate. So I understand that you do have a conviction for assault from December 2019.
Yeah.
And that was not involving Johnny. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I understand you have another conviction for assault, but that was from October 2005.
Uh-huh.
And did that involve a common law partner?
Well, the conviction was yes, we were broken up at the time, but yeah, the conviction was for intimate partner.
Okay. And I understand in 2018 you have a conviction for failing to attend court.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me just get some information from you. So I understand that you currently live with Johnny. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
What's your address?
777 Kamloops Way.
Okay. And who else lives with you?
Uh, our son, and Johnny's mother,
Okay.
Judy.
How old's your son?
5 years old.
5 years old? Okay. And how long has Judy been living with you for?
Judy has been living with us for the past 3 years.
3 years. Okay. What's your relationship like with Judy?
It was fine for a while. It was especially great when she wasn't living with us, but it was fine for a while. But recently it's really gone downhill. She thinks that she's our son's mom. So there's been a lot of uh questions around every single thing that we've been doing. Johnny seems to think it's fine. She's his mom, so why wouldn't she be our kid's mom, I guess? Anyway, yeah, that's what we were arguing about. I would really like for her to move out because we had like the relationship before was fine. But it's really not now. It's way past the point of where things should have gone. So yeah, probably not great right now since I'm here because I wanted her to not be in our house anymore.
Okay. Amy, do you have anywhere else that you can live if you were released from jail?
Maybe my employer. I work with a construction company in town. I might be able to get a place through them.
Okay. And I'm assuming I can get some phone numbers and some contacts from you for your employer to make those inquiries.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that after. And you said you're working for a construction company. Is that full-time work?
Yes.
And how long have you been doing that work for?
Since we got to Kamloops, so about 5 years as well.
And are you willing to move out of your apartment and live somewhere else if you were released on bail?
It's a little upsetting because again, it's about the issue with Judy and our son, but yeah, it something would be better than jail. So
Okay.
I guess, yeah.
Okay, and if the housing through your work doesn't work out, do you have any other friends or family members in Kamloops or in the surrounding area that you could stay with temporarily?
No,
Okay.
not really.
All right. Are you financially in a position to rent temporary housing for yourself?
Yeah, again, I could.
Okay.
It'd be a bit of a stretch.
Yeah, okay, I understand. And I know it's not ideal, but at this point, given that the charge does involve alleged intimate partner violence, the Crown, at least when we run the bail hearing, is probably going to seek a no contact condition with Johnny. So in all likelihood, you will not be able to stay in the home, at least until some time goes by and we can sort of look at how things have gone and perhaps renegotiate some of the conditions. So I just want us to really think about alternative arrangements for housing. And
Okay.
there is as part of the allegation, apparently you and Johnny were consuming alcohol. Is that an issue for you? Is there anything that, would you be willing to do any counseling if you were released?
Yeah, I'd done some in the past, but I could go back. Yeah.
Okay, and have you done counseling in town or what was the arrangements?
Yes, some in town back about 3 years ago.
Okay. Okay, well, thanks again for meeting me. I know this was pretty quick, but you've given me enough information that we can start working on a bail plan for you.
Thank you.
Okay, so we'll be in touch in about a day or so.